Okay, so today I'll be doing an unboxing for the Puma TSUGI BLAZE. I just got them from Amazon. Just got them. I saw them online. I got them on a deal for I think it was $39, $39.99, which I think is a steal because after I purchased them, they went up to about $64. So I have a black and white Puma TSUGI BLAZE. Here's the label. So you see that it is Puma TSUGI BLAZE. It's a size 13 because that's the size I wear. I'm really a new fan of Puma. I think this is my fourth pair over the past 6 or 7 months, and I really like the Funis sneakers. So before I open, you see the sticker here. It says Puma uses high quality natural suede and aniline leathers in its products. Colors from these materials may bleed. So that's a little warning there from Puma. On the underside, you'll see the sizing information, size conversion, and of course a legend to actually look and be able to match back some of the icons, and of course the various Puma insignia. Alright, so let's open this thing up. Okay, so there they are. I saw them online and I really like the black ones. Let's take them out. Alright, so here they are. So as you can see, these sneakers, I really like them. Needed a black pair of sneakers to go with my jeans and my joggers, and I saw this and these really fit the bill. So you can have a look at the base here. The base here, you'll see that it says Ignite. You see a little texture going around on the canvas there, and it goes around to this side. You'll see the Puma insignia on the heel, and this is a kind of strap. This is a bit of a strap, so it gives support to your heel there. And I'm realizing that this is a new style with a lot of the sneakers coming out now, with Adidas and Puma, where it has a raised heel. So it provides additional support to your Achilles area of your foot. Now the laces are black. You have a Puma insignia here. It's raised. It's not stitched in. It's actually raised. I think this is some sort of rubber material that is used to make this here. You see the mesh. It's a very durable mesh. Right. I think this allows your foot to breathe while it's inside the shoe. And of course, there's a nice suede material along the front of the shoe. Let me get this paper out. So there is a sizing information there. So you see it says Puma, made in Vietnam. Hopefully it wasn't made in a sweatshop, but there it is, and you can see inside the shoe there. Alright, it's a nice quality build. On the underside, there's the word Ignite again, with the Puma logo there, and of course you can see the color coding here because the shoe is black. The color coding is in there as black. If we got the blue version, this would have been blue. If we got red inside, it would have been red as well. So it's a nice shoe. The base of it is quite thick. I am 6'2". When I stand in these, I feel like I'm about 6'3", 6'4". Another peculiar thing about the shoe though is that on the base, you get the best angle for you. You'll see this bit just comes out here, so it's a very wide base, and it's on the heel as well, so it comes out a little, protrudes a little, but it's really nice, it's really stylish, and I think I got a really good deal on these sneakers. So that's it. It is my unboxing and my review of the Puma TSUGI BLAZE sneakers from Amazon.